In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free digital downloadable product selling e-commerce website with WordPress. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor. From your dashboard, open the site editor and load the home template you want to use for your digital store. Think of this as the storefront layout your visitors will see. If you're using an ebook or digital product theme, choose the home template associated with that design so your edits apply to the right page. Next, open the block inserter by clicking the plus icon. This is where you add content to the page. In the search bar, look for the file block. The file block is perfect for digital products because it displays a link and a button that let visitors download a file. Add it to the section of the page where you want the download to appear. For now, attach a sample file, like a small PDF, so you can see how it looks and functions. With the download link in place, make the product visually appealing. Click the placeholder or highlighted area where you want the cover image or product mockup to go. Choose the image block. Then click Replace to swap out any default image with your own product cover. You can upload a new image or select one from your media library. Pick a clear, high-resolution cover that represents your product and confirm the replacement so it appears on the page. Now return to the file block and click File again to attach the actual downloadable file. This could be your ebook PDF, a zip of design assets, or an audio file. Select the correct file from your library or upload a new one. Once selected, WordPress will automatically show the file name and a download button. You can edit the displayed text to be more user-friendly, and if your theme allows, adjust alignment and spacing so the button stands out. When your image and download link look good, click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm which template parts you're saving. Confirm and proceed. After saving, click Launch or Publish to push the changes live. This makes the download link available on your website. Finally, test the experience as a visitor. Open your site's homepage, find the Download section, and click the button to ensure the file downloads correctly. If it's a large file, consider compressing it for faster delivery. Use clear file names so customers know exactly what they're getting, and preview the page on mobile to confirm the layout looks clean and the button is easy to tap. If you plan to accept payments, you can connect a commerce solution later, but this setup gives you a working digital download page today.